Hi, did you know that you can get paid to test apps? We need more paid app testers. AppCoiner needs more members from all over the world. Start getting paid to test out the coolest new apps on your phone or tablet. Do you have a smartphone or tablet? So, you probably use a lot of apps, right? But did you know there is a way you can get paid for using those apps? You see, every day thousands of new apps are released. And most get lost in the crowd. That's where you come in. Introducing AppCoiner.com, the new platform that pays you to help apps get found. All you need is any kind of smartphone or tablet. You simply choose an app from the database. Test it out on your phone or tablet. Then log into your account. Write your review. And get paid cash. So, if you want to get paid to test the latest apps, click the link below to reserve your spot.